Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to move a bookmark to the Bookmarks Bar folder in Chrome on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Chrome. Launch the Chrome browser on your PC and make sure you're signed into your Google account. Step 2. Next to your profile picture, click on the side panel icon. It's located in the top right corner of the browser. Step 3. Locate the bookmark you want to move to the Bookmarks Bar folder, and click on the More icon next to its name. Step 4. From the drop-down menu, select Move to Bookmarks Bar folder. By organizing your bookmarks in the Bookmarks Bar folder, you can easily access your favorite websites with just a single click. That wraps up today's tutorial on how to move a bookmark to the Bookmarks Bar folder in Chrome on your PC. We hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.